This AI Trend Update video is brought to you by Christian Kromme, a Futurist keynote speaker and senior research fellow at the Conference Board. This monthly update video will discuss what's happening in the AI generative design domain and how AI will impact design, engineering, and manufacturing. Our economy is rapidly transitioning from the era of one-size-fits-all mass-produced products to a highly personalized product landscape where goods and services are tailored exclusively to individual needs. Very soon, hyper-personalized products that cater to all your requirements will become the norm. Many of our goods are already created using digital tools such as 3D CAD and 3D CAM software. Coupled with an exponential surge in computing power, we can now conduct advanced virtual simulations with virtual 3D prototypes, allowing us to assess the product's performance in the digital world and execute countless iterations while it remains within this virtual space. An example is the simulated virtual car crashes that have minimized the need for real cars in crash tests. This approach has dramatically cut down on time to market and avoided numerous expensive development cycles. But what if we could supercharge this process by harnessing even greater processing power and the power of AI? The influence of AI on the design and engineering industry is already significant. Once utilized merely for data and sensor information analysis, AI now generates text, images, and videos, already revolutionizing our entire design and engineering process across almost all industries. Tools like Midjourney can already design new and beautiful products, but Midjourney is merely an AI image generator. It does not understand materials, components, fluid dynamics, or physics. Picture what could be achieved if AI were to amass this knowledge at an exponential rate. That's exactly what's occurring now. AI is learning to generate 3D CAD designs of physical products, understanding how the real world operates and how products and designs function in it. AI is gaining insights into how different materials and constructions respond to external forces and stress. We stand on the brink of a new epoch, the era of AI in design and engineering. Leading this transformative shift is AI-powered generative design. Propelled by AI, this cutting-edge tool is altering how we approach design, engineering, and manufacturing. Envision an AI designer with an IQ of 800 that starts creating products beyond human imagination and capability. Imagine an intelligent AI system capable of designing and engineering millions of different product versions in seconds and simulating these products in a virtual environment based on massive amounts of real-world user data. This is how generative design operates and how many future products will be designed and engineered. The co-creation designing between humans and AI will elevate to a whole new level. Products will become exponentially more intricate in structure yet simpler in operation. A revolution in design, engineering, and manufacturing is on the horizon. AI will increasingly design products that will become progressively sophisticated. This will lower the barrier for entrepreneurs to design and create their own complex products that today can only be designed and produced by large, advanced corporations. With AI-driven generative design, engineers input their design objectives, parameters, and constraints into the design software, and the AI takes over. It explores all the potential variations of a solution, quickly generating thousands or even millions of alternatives. It simulates, tests, and learns from each iteration and applies all the insights it has learned during the process. As a result, products will start to look more like organic structures, such as bones and muscle formations in our bodies. This is because, with AI, we're beginning to design as nature does. Nature experiments with many versions. If one works, it invests more energy into that design direction and carries it forward to the next stage. Products will consume fewer materials and valuable, limited resources while more stress-resistant. This way, we reduce our resource footprint and simultaneously design better products. The possibilities are limitless when AI-driven generative design merges with another groundbreaking technology like 3D printing. 3D printing, or additive manufacturing, enables us to create complex and organically shaped structures previously impossible or costly. How will the economy and organizations adapt if AI begins to design even more complex products like cars, houses, and electronic devices? How will AI alter our supply and value chains if these AI-designed products can be 3D printed at a hub near you? AI will further unify design, engineering, and manufacturing processes. These distinct verticals must be seamlessly integrated as they can no longer be viewed as separate stages. In an era where customers can start to design complex products themselves, design, engineering, marketing, sales, service, and support will be fully integrated into one creative and holistic process. The traditional organizational verticals and silos will soon become obsolete. This AI technology will revolutionize how we design and engineer products. The era of massive warehouses filled with identical, mass-produced items is nearing its end. We're transitioning to a time of extensive customization, where producing single, bespoke products will be economically viable. Picture a world where products are not designed for the average user but for individuals. A world where your furniture, clothes, smartphone, headphone, and even your toothbrush are created exclusively for you, perfectly fitting your unique needs and preferences. Products will evolve from passive, static objects to active, adaptive entities. Products will become more alive. Products powered by electricity or batteries will soon be equipped with chips, sensors, and broadband. Next, they will gain intelligence using AI edge computing chips. Many products will become robotic and autonomous as a result. A continuous feedback loop from the product's advanced sensors and AI to the design algorithms will exist, allowing the design algorithms to learn from the end user's interaction with the product in real life or the usage patterns of different target audiences. In other words, products will become intelligent, more aware of their environment, and able to adapt constantly. For instance, your smartphone and apps adapt to you, the user, and learn from your behavior. This trend will extend to other products like furniture, cars, toothbrushes, household appliances, etc. The converging of AI and 3D printing is not only reshaping the landscape of design and engineering, it's transforming our world, setting the stage for a future of innovation, customization, and individuality. The fusion of 3D printing and robotics opens up even more opportunities. For instance, have you ever heard of microfactories? These are autonomous robots combined with 3D printers. The 3D printers produce the parts, and the autonomous AI-powered robots assemble the separate parts into a fully functioning and finished product. A single microfactory production line can create a broad range of cheap, fast, and efficient products tailored precisely to consumers' needs. The future is here and custom-made just for you. Well, thanks for watching this episode about the impact of AI on engineering and design. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell button to receive notifications of new video releases. That's all for this month's video. We hope you're inspired by new ideas and thoughts on applying AI in your organization. Also, be sure to subscribe to the Conference Board's weekly AI newsletter, which keeps you updated on the latest and greatest AI technologies shaping the world of tomorrow.